In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter mileage in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to fill everything out so your business mileage is tracked accurately for reports and potential tax deductions. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account using your usual login. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Expenses and click on it. Under Expenses, you'll see a section called Mileage. Go ahead and select Mileage. This is the dedicated area in QuickBooks where all your business trips will be recorded and organized. Now that you're in the Mileage section, you're ready to add a new trip. At the top of the page, look for the button or drop-down labeled Add Trip. Click the small drop-down arrow next to it and then select Add Trip. This opens a form where you'll enter the details of your drive. Start with the date. QuickBooks will usually default to today's date, which is perfect if you're entering the trip right after you've taken it. If you're logging a past trip, simply click on the date field and choose the correct day from the calendar. Next, fill in the starting and ending addresses. You can type in the locations you drove from and to, and QuickBooks may help calculate the distance for you. If you already know the total miles for the trip, you can simply enter that distance instead of the full addresses. The key is to make sure the mileage is accurate and matches your records. Then add the purpose of the trip. This should be a short description of why you traveled, such as meeting with client or site visit. Being clear here helps you later when you review your mileage or share it with your accountant. After that, select the correct vehicle from the drop-down menu. If you use more than one car for business, choosing the right vehicle keeps your records clean and organized. If this drive was a round trip, meaning you went there and back, turn on the round trip toggle. This automatically creates two entries, saving you time and making sure both legs of the journey are captured. Once all the details look good, click Save. Your trip is now stored in QuickBooks Online, and you've successfully entered your mileage.